It's my pleasure to present the Academy's Lifetime Achievement Award to NASA TV.
Greetings from the International Space Station to all our friends who are in Nashville for the Emmy Awards. I'm Expedition 18 Commander Mike Fink aboard the International Space Station with my crewmate, Flight Engineer Sandy Magnus, orbiting 220 miles above our beautiful planet Earth.
On behalf of the men and women of NASA, it is our honor to accept the Governor's Award for Lifetime Achievement from the Mid-South Chapter of the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. NASA Television, as you know it today, was born with the launch of the first space shuttle in 1981. But the agency actually pioneered the use of live satellite and television technology since it was founded 50 years ago.
And from those first grainy images broadcast from the surface of the moon to the first high-definition video from space, television has played a vital role for the safety and success of our missions, and it has enabled the entire world to share in our exploration efforts. So we're excited for the chance to take you into space through the miracle of television, and I can assure you the best is yet to come. Again, thank you on behalf of NASA for this prestigious honor.
Thank you, Commander. And here on Earth, the statue is being accepted by Bob Jacobs of NASA.
Thank you, Congressman Gordon. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank him for his leadership in the House Science and Technology Committee. It's because of him that we're able to do a lot of the work that you see each and every day. And I'd also like to thank, of course, the Board of Governors for recognizing NASA Television. A lot of people do a lot of hard work to bring you the images from space, and they're just a tremendous group of people to work with. Personally, this is an exciting night for me because I'm a Nashville native, and I began my television career many years ago with WSMV. And guys, keep up the good work. Love watching you when I get to come into town. But about 10 years ago, when I had the opportunity to join NASA, I was struggling with the idea of moving from news into government. And a friend of mine said, you can continue to write about history, or you could become a part of it. And I never looked back. And those guys that work on NASA Television, from the astronauts to the scientists to the engineers, the producers, they all work very hard to make you a part of the space program. So for them, thank you very much.
Well, this tribute would be incomplete without highlighting the scientific work done at the Marshall Space Flight Center here in the Mid-South region. There we are. Let's hear it from Mid-South. Nashville now claims Dr. Rick Chappell as director of Vanderbilt's Dyer Observatory. He served as the chief scientist at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville and was the mission scientist for Space Lab 1, among other accomplishments. Please welcome Dr. Chappell.
Well, I want to add my congratulations to the very talented people at NASA who created NASA TV. They have opened a magnificent window into exploration for all of the American public. And this window is particularly important to us today in America as an attraction for our students who will become the nation's future explorers and who are making their career decisions right now. I want to recognize the NASA Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama, for the leadership role that it played in converting NASA TV from a single analog channel to a 4-channel digital system with these unbelievable HD TV images from space. Here to accept the Emmy Award is Rodney Grubbs from the NASA Marshall Space Flight Center.
Thank you. I want to start off by thanking my wife for being such a great mom and a great partner for me, my daughter Olivia and my son Paul for still thinking their dad's kind of cool. To Walt and Sandy, my colleagues who've worked over the years to turn these ones and zeros into images that all of you, I hope, enjoy. We'll be back to work next week, preparing the possibility to watch the next steps on the moon and HDTV. And finally, thanks for all of you for paying your taxes so I can have a great job. Thank you very much.